Hi, this is a reading for the Aquarian Collective. This is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Aquarius, and this is a weekly reading. I'm going to look at your general energies, how you are going to be affected by planetary energies or energies around you in this time period, and what is going to affect your next 7 days. So, from the date of 24th of February to the 2nd of March, what's coming to you? So, in your influence, in your environment, what's coming is the Chariot card. So, Chariot brings in triumph in the end. Chariot brings in movement in your life. So, there is going to be great movement happening with your willpower and determination in this time period. Whoever rides this chariot, whoever harnesses this energy which is coming to you from outside through someone, some motivation, or your own energy, this is giving you an opportunity to get a victory in your situation. So with the chariot, triumph comes after a lot of difficulties. So in this time period, the death card is here. So a transformation is taking place in this time period, something which was practiced, something which was there, something which was visible, something that carried on for a long time, could be a trend of disconnect and boredom. Why I am saying is, your past is showing the emperor and the moon card. So the emperor and the moon card says that there is a sense of loss in a situation where you are getting very apathetic towards your situation. This could be that you feel that nothing changes in my life, whatever I want to do, whatever, how much ever I am working, it is not helping. So there is control, or there is some kind of action oriented work going on, but because of an illusory energy of the moon, what is happening is that you are feeling that I am not achieving any upgrades in my life. Mostly for many of you, it is, your work environment. For some of you, it is your relationship. For some of you, it is your health situation. But this situation is ending for you with the Ace of Cups. So, transformation and new feelings are coming to you, invigoration coming in, recuperation happening, feeling pure energies of new love, new invigorated state of feeling is coming to you, and this is coming to you in a long term situation. So with the 10 of pentacles and the 10 of wands, this is an ending of a disadvantage in your long term situation. A tower moment has happened already, and this surprise situation has given an opportunity to rebuild your life. So a quick ending has happened already, or it will happen. So it is going to happen initially in 1 or 2 days. So there is going to be a shocking, surprising, not too bad energy coming in, which is going to end a situation for you which was going on and on and on. And now with the prosperity begins card, there is a possibility that progress and movement is starting, because the Ace of Cups is here, which is not going to make you feel sad. It is going to give you your own identity. It is going to give you a transformative energy of enthusiasm and finally feeling cured in a situation. So with the Eight of Wands, there is accelerated motion. There is going to be information, flurry of information coming in, progress coming in for you. So what's coming, what is the biggest energy in this time period is awareness. That is the Magician card, one number card, and the power card, that is the 8 number card. So 1 and 8 is giving you great power. It is the power of awareness of what you can, what you are, capable of, what you can harness in this time period, how you can make all elements work for you, whatever are the talents, whatever are your abilities, you are going to harness that, you'll be aware of that. And with the strength, that is the courage that you have, the power of patience, that is the power of fighting, the power of struggling, all these things will combined together, the strength and the awareness card, and that is going to take you forward in this time period. And chariot is actually the epitome of this is determination, willpower, focus, and definite movement forwards, because you were suffering in silence and suddenly your third eye will open. Suddenly you will have that perception that what am I doing, why am I getting into this delusional energy with the emperor and the moon card, why am I in this energy, I'm doing everything, I'm capable, and why is this happening. You might not be getting support in this time period from others, but your own energy of surmounting all your problems is going to come to you. So have the hope. This is also the Aquarius card, this is the star card. It is telling you your wishes will be fulfilled in this time period. And with the Knight of Swords energy, quick action will be taken, or quick escape will be made, or a quick decision will be made of swishing your sword to bring in prosperity. Because what was happening was a long situation of accumulation of heartbreak, accumulation of setbacks and losses, and you are going to change that. It is the change is coming for better future, and this can be a change mostly for many of you regarding your long term legacy, wealth. How you perceive wealth is also changing in this time period. How you work, it is also changing. How you love, it is changing. How you keep your close relationships, that is also changing. So what's your outcome? Outcome is that you will decide to not let yourself be bogged down by the familiar zone. Maybe a familiar love situation is ending, so you will be moving towards an unknown destination. You could be moving towards external, moving, expanding towards external, and bigger things, better things, taking that risk. With the Page of Wands, you are going to go on a short trip, definitely, which is coming in your future. With the Knight of Cups, someone could be bringing in good news for you, love for you. Someone is coming back, saying you self-respect. With the Ace of Swords, your path is all set, and in this chaotic situation where you could be feeling the problems, you could be bogged down by situations, you could be feeling apathetic, the conquest or the conqueror energy will sustain, and self realization of your own will, your own abilities will come to you with the Ace of Swords. So this is the big awareness, and it is in the hands of the Magician. So the Magician and the Strength card is your big energy, and Ace of Swords is the result. So you will find the path of success definitely in this time period. So and what is coming finally to you in the coming days, in the discernible future, is the Empress and the Six of Pentacles. So Empress is a growth situation, Empress is love, abundance coming to you. Empress is relaxation, energies of growth, energies of development coming to you. And with the Six of Pentacles, you are going to see reciprocation, you are going to see offers, gifts, you are going to see money compensation coming in this time period. Balance in your monetary situation could be coming in. How you give and take is also going to change. Your perspective is going to change on that. So let's look at the advice. So the advice is of the Arrow card. So the arrow is about telling you about surround yourself with a protective energy. Surround yourself with positive people and experiences and environments that make you feel safe. So some of you will be going on a travel, some of you are going to just leave something behind and making a decision to go away. um, so if your environment is creating challenges for you, you will call on your angels, guides, and ancestors to bring you protection. And if you are in a situation where you feel that not everything is as clear as it seems, trust your intuition in this time period. There are energies in your current situation that aren't fully aligned with your intentions and goals or with kindness. So follow your intuition about whom to trust and what to trust. If you can take time to retreat or to step out of the situation to assess what is going to be beneficial for you, do so. In any event, this is the time to call on the energy of protection and to place yourself in a space that feels safe. So you will be seeking that, you will be getting that, you will be coming out of difficulties and problems that will go away fast. So this is the energy for Aquarius. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. So think about it. If you really want it, you can contact me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. And keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings which are available to you through this channel. And the March reading is upcoming. Thank you so much. Bye bye.